Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello friends, welcome to today's piano class. In today's class, we are going to learn how to play Happy Birthday to You. As usual, all you need to follow is the alphabet on the screen or the turning solvers. Let us quickly look at the soprano, alto, and the tenor part. Can you look at the screen? Now, let us play the melody on the piano.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload multiple music videos and musical skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from theory of music for kids on how to read, write, sing, and play musical instrument basic for children, such as recorder, piano, guitar, violin, etc. Also, word-ranking nursery rhymes with tonic suffers, singing lesson, and a lot more in different genres of music. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.